Now is it visible? The cursor is visible. दिख रहा है?
Yes, sir, visible.
Okay. Okay. So this concept is clear. What is this return period and what is this probability of occurrence? So is it clear or should I repeat it? So okay, this first of all understand this return period. What is return period? Return period means that period shows that tells about after how many years and how much time this event will repeat or will occur again. Suppose a flood or any type of event, the return period is denoted by T. Suppose the return period is 50 years of a storm or any flood or any event. Okay, it means that flood will occur after 50 years again. It means in the interval of 50 years that flood will occur. Okay, and now suppose we have a dam or any construction, and the design life of this construction is suppose n equal to 30 years. Okay, now we wish to calculate that what is the probability of that occurrence of that flood which have return period of this 50 years. Okay, so we wish this is return period and this is suppose this is design life. So we wish to calculate this probability of the occurrence of this type of event in this 30 years. So how to calculate? By using this formula. Okay, r dash is equal to or is equal to 1 minus 1 by t. T is the return period of this event, that is 1 by 50 to the power n. N is what? For under consideration for what years we are calculating the probability. So here we wish to calculate the probability for 30 years. So it will be 30. So whatever the this value will come, this will show you the probability of that occurrence of this type of event whose return period is 50 years. Clear? Hello?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, and if we wish to calculate this probability in a single year, in 1 year, then you can directly use this formula, probability equal to 1 by time period, that is return period. Okay, so this will give you the probability of occurrence of this event in 1 year. Clear? And this return period, direct formula of return period can be calculated as this formula, n plus 1 divided by m, where n is the total number of events and m is the rank of that event. So see here a question. Okay, now tell me what will be the answer of this question. Here the question is asking about the return period t and m and in the term of m and n. So in the previous slide we read
Yes, sir. N plus 1 upon
this
m.
is t. So option number, which option number will be answer? Option number
B.
D,
D.
that is n plus 1 by m. Now calculate this one. What will be the answer for this question? Here, if the risk of a flood occurring in the next 10 years is accepted to 10%. Okay, so risk of flood occurring in the next 10 years is accepted to 10%, then the return period of that design should be. So here 10% probability is given. Okay, probability is given as 10% and n matlab for 10 years we are wish to know the return period. Okay, this is p or r bar and this is 10 years is what? Tell me. This will be n and you wish to calculate return period, that is t. So how to calculate? Tell me what will be the answer. Calculate and answer. Hello.
Option B, sir.
Options
Option D.
Option
So
C, sir.
here,
C, sir.
okay, so what was the formula? R bar is equal to 1
1
minus
1
minus
minus
1
1
1
by
minus
into
t to the power n.
1 minus t to the power n. So here r dash is given 10%. 10% means what? 0.1 is equal to 1 minus 1 minus 1 by t. T is what? T is need to be calculated, and n is given 10. Clear? So here will be what? This will be 1 minus 1 by t to the power 10 is equal to what? 1 minus 0.1. 1 minus 0.1. So it will be what? 0.9. So here we can say after this 1 minus 1 by t will be 0.9 to the power what? 10. Is it? This is 10. So it will be 1 by 10. So 1 by t is equal to 1 minus 0.9 to the power 0.1. So t will be what? T will be 1 divided by 1 minus 0.9 to the power 0.1. So answer will be
1. C.
this one. C is the right answer. Is it clear, Tamang?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any doubt? No. Okay. Now calculate this one. Calculate the answer on the same formula. Use the same formula.
Option D, sir.
Option D. How? By okay. So here, if one wants to be 90% sure that the design flood in a dam project will not occur. Okay, 90% means it will not occur. है ना? So occurrence R will be what?
100 minus 90.
Correct. 10%. So R will be 0.1. Now this in a project will not occur during the design period of 100 years, and this is 100 years. 100 years is what? This is what? Hmm?
Time, sir.
This is n. Clear? And you wish to calculate recurrence interval, that is return period t. So what was the formula? This was the formula. R dash equal to R bar equal to 1 minus 1 by t to the power n. So here R bar is equal to what? Amarjit, what will be R bar here? This probability of occurrence is what?
0.1.
0.1, because 90% is what? 90% is the that
Sure.
will not occurrence. It is 90% means not occurrence. So occurrence will be 10%. That is
10%.
0.1
0.1.
is equal to 1 minus 1 by t. T needs to be calculated to the power n. N is what? 100 years. This one. So here from here you can calculate the t. Okay. So 1 minus 1 by t to the power 100 is equal to 1 minus 0.1, that is 0.9. So just calculate t and tell me what will be the value. Tamang, t will be what?
949.62, sir.
949.6 years. So that will be what?
Yes.
Roughly 100 years.
1000
1,000.
years.
Sorry, 1000 year, correct. So option number D will be the right answer. Now next question, solve this question. Sinha, Sharthi, Satyam,
35%, sir.
35. Pujan,
Dheeraj.
acha, Dheeraj Sharma. So how to calculate it? Anyone
So
else?
P equals to
No, anyone else in the class who can tell how to solve?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell. Probability of a 10-year flood. Okay, 10-year flood to occur. It means what is this 10 years is what? 10-year flood means what? This is the
Return period, sir.
correct. This is the
Return.
return period or recurrence interval is 10. Now to occur at least
Hmm.
once in the next 4 years. So 4 years is what? 4 years is
N.
n. Bas.
And
Now calculate the probability. So probability equal to what? 1 minus this is probability, okay, not p equal to 1 by t. So 1 minus 1 by t. T is what? 10. to the power 4. Bas calculate. P bar is equal to what? It will come 34.4%, isn't it? So
Yes, sir.
30%. So answer will be answer B.
35.
35%.
Clear?
Yes,
Now,
sir.
okay, now solve this question. The working life of a dam built to store irrigation requirement is expected to be 100 years. Okay. And the spillway capacity is designed to accommodate the peak flood having a return period of 500 years. Calculate the risk of failure of the dam. Okay. So, answer will be what? How to calculate? Anyone else who can describe?
So T
Sir,
equal to
18%.
5 and
So, first of
18.14.
calculate this. What? That probability of occurrence. Okay. When that will be occur, then that will be fail. है ना? So, the probability of occurrence will be R dash is equal to 1 minus 1 by T. T is the return period. Here return period is 500 years.
500.
This is T. So, this is 500 to the power N. N is the design life, that is 100 years.
100.
So, 100. So, just what is the value of this? 0.
0.1814.
Correct. So, it means 18%, you can say 18.14%.
18.4.
So, this will be answer here. Clear? Any doubt, anyone? Okay, now solve this question. This is again, this was asked in ES exam, ES 2005 of 6 marks. Okay, and see the answer will be in 2 line only. The
Yes,
previous
sir.
question was also from ES. Now, what will be the answer of this question? I had
63.6.
20 years will be 33.2% and for 50 years will be 63.6%.
for 20 years it will be
33.2.
33.2%.
correct, and for 50 years
63.6%.
correct. But that was that's all. So for this hydraulic structure is sized for 50 years recurrence interval. That is, this is time period, return period or a recurrence interval 50 years. Now you need to calculate the risk twice. Okay, for first that is for 20 years, and the second for 50 years. You need to calculate the risk twice. Okay, first for 20 years and the second for 50 years. So for 20 years, what will be the risk? That is 1 minus 1 by 50 to the power 20. Clear? So what will be the value of this? 0.3324. That is 33.24 answer percent. And for 50 years, that will be 1 minus 1 by 50 to the power 50 is equal to 0.6358.
636.
63.58%. So that will be risk. Okay. So that was all about this recurrence interval. So any student who has any doubt?